Welcome to Next Gen Manufacturing. We are about to track the birth of the fifth generation stealth fighter, the F-22 Raptor, often called the Ghost.
A fifth generation fighter starts not with assemble, but with the perfect, most expensive materials.
Over 40% of the F-22 is titanium, an incredibly expensive, difficult to machine metal, vital for high temperature. Every piece of carbon fiber must be cut with microscopic accuracy. A deviation of less than the width of a hair can compromise the jet's radar signature. The F-22 requires tools more precise than the jet itself. These jigs ensure absolute zero tolerance. This massive block of titanium is destined to become the central load-bearing structure, the backbone of the F-22, absorbing all flight stress. Machining these spars takes over 100 hours. Every internal channel guides structural loads, complex wiring, and vital fuel lines. Each component is protected and tracked digitally. Nothing leaves this climate-controlled system unverified or unprotected from environmental factors. This is the true start of the Raptor. The massive titanium bulkhead is the first piece of the fuselage skeleton. The jig ensures these components merge into a single, perfectly rigid, stealth-optimized airframe. The material prep is certified and the backbone is set. The Raptor's skeleton is complete, And we move on to primary structural fabrication. The keel beam forms the structural spine of the F-22. It is engineered to manage the intense G-forces and aerodynamic stresses of supersonic flight. Drilling through this much titanium requires specialized carbide tools and high-pressure, extreme cooling to prevent structural weakening. The F-22 uses over 1 million fasteners. Each is a specific alloy, dimension, and precise torque setting. We machine the bulkhead after installation. This ensures absolute zero-tolerance alignment with the rest of the airframe. These curved titanium frames are critical for stealth. Their precise geometry must be perfect to diffuse radar waves and hide the engine fan blades. The weapons bay is the most complex structure. It must be strong enough for missile forces, yet perfectly sealed and invisible to radar when closed. The skin isn't just riveted, it's bonded and clamped under massive pressure to maintain its precise stealth curvature. This cage structure must withstand the immense heat and vibration from the F-119's 200 massive engines. The structure is so dense that sometimes human hands are still required for the tightest installation points, like securing these vital electrical conduits. The core airframe is structurally complete. The Raptor's skeleton is sealed and certified, and we can now move to the highly complex internal systems. Section 3. The airframe is sealed. Now we install the critical internal systems, the engines, the high-pressure hydraulics. The Raptor's brain is its most complex system. It uses hundreds of kilometers of shielded wiring and specialized processors to manage. The flight controls rely on an immense hydraulic system pressurized to over 5,000 psi. It must be redundant and fail-proof to ensure agility. Every system, fuel, hydraulic, and electrical, is layered with redundancy. This duplication ensures the The geometry is the stealth. Every panel, every angle must be flawless to minimize the radar signature. These control surfaces determine agility. They must move without friction and without delay to translate the pilot's input instantly in the air. The aircraft is now structurally whole and certified. The skeleton is sealed. We are ready for the process that makes it. The AESA radar is the eyes of the Raptor. Its perfect alignment is critical for detecting and tracking threats at Section 4. The internal systems are installed. Now we move to the final external surfaces, the rigorous functional tests. The RAM paint is a highly specialized composite material that literally absorbs radar energy. It's the true secret to the This entire bay is a filtered clean room. The stealth coating cannot tolerate a single speck of dust or imperfection, or when these doors close, the F-22 literally loses its weapons bay from enemy radar. That seamless, zero-tolerance finish Every control surface you see here is electrically controlled and hydraulically powered. This redundant complexity is what flawless action. The hydraulic pressure is confirmed, and all control surfaces respond instantly. The weapon system is certified for deployment speed. This is the moment the Raptor truly comes alive. We are massive electrical power to its computer core, activating every sensor and flight system. Safety is paramount. The ejection seat is now armed, and the pilot's life support systems are fully online for the first flight. Final checks complete. The F-22 is moving onto the runway. Every system is performing flawlessly. It's time for the first flight. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey to build the F-22 Raptor. What impossible factory should we explore next? Let me know.